Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Physics Pro, and today we have a problem that we can solve by some trick, and this trick is discussed in our previous video. So let's go to the problem. A solid cylinder starts rolling from a height h on an inclined plane. At some instant t, the ratio of its rotational kinetic energy and the total kinetic energy. Okay, so let's get the figure first. This is our figure. This is a inclined plane and something is rolling. So if it rolls, then there must be some omega. Okay, that's good. So what will be the total kinetic energy? I'm using the trick. Okay, the trick. Okay. What is the total kinetic energy? Total kinetic energy for this system. Total kinetic energy for this system, because it is solid cylinder, and so we can write it as half mv square. Remember this one, and you must love it. 1 plus I by m r square. Okay, I am getting this r is capital. So what is the r? R is the radius. This is a cylinder, so it has a radius, and this is the r. Okay, this is the r. So this is our total kinetic energy, and what will be our rotational kinetic energy? So rotational kinetic energy, this formula will help us, half I omega square, and this turns to that half I, we are multiplying with m, and there is an I, and omega will be replaced by v by r and whole square. So I am using this trick because, and the final formula must be remembered to solve this type of problems. Okay, so half m. Okay, I have multiplied m here, so I need another m here. So half m into v square. So this v square is outside, and there is a bracket, and I by m r square. This is our formula. Okay, now we have to divide these both, and we'll get the answer. So they ask that the rotational kinetic energy and the total kinetic energy. So rotational will be rotational by kinetic energy, like this. Okay, so rotational kinetic energy is half mv square, and there comes I by mr square. I am not putting any values, just doing some maths. Yes, 1 plus I by m r square. So the final result from this calculation, we are getting that I by m r square by 1 plus I by m r square. Okay, so what will be the I? This is a solid cylinder. Okay, for solid cylinder, I is half m r square. So I by m r square, or from here I by m r square is half. Okay, this half. So we can put just I by m r square is replaced by just half, and there comes another half, 1 plus 1 by 2, and this gives us 1 by 3. That is, the ratio will be 1:3. So which one will be our answer? The answer will be this one.